In this video, we are going to show that the quadratic function y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c represents a parabola. We also find its vertex, axis, directrix, and focus. First, we show that y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c represents a parabola. For this, we shall convert this equation into an equation of parabola of the form x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Let's do it. From right hand side, we take a common. Now we shall complete the square within the brackets. For this, we shall add b over 2a whole square and subtract b over 2a whole square. After simplifying, we get y is equal to a into x plus b over 2a whole square plus minus b square over 4a square plus c over a. Here, the square has been closed as x plus b over 2a whole square. After simplifying, we get y is equal to a into x plus b over 2a whole square plus a into minus b square plus 4ac over 4a square. Here a has been multiplied with both terms. Also, this term has been obtained by taking the LCM. Now we can write this equation in the form a into x plus b over 2a whole square is equal to y minus b square plus 4ac over 4a. Here one of the a has been cancelled. Also, the remaining term has been transposed to left hand side. So it has been written as a into x plus b over 2a whole square is equal to y minus b square plus 4ac over 4a. Now we can write this equation in the form x minus b over 2a whole square is equal to 1 over a into y minus b square plus 4ac over 4a. Now this equation is of the type x minus h whole square is equal to 4a y minus k. So we can say that y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equation of parabola. Here we have transformed y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c into an equation of parabola of the form x plus b over 2a whole square is equal to 1 over a y minus b square plus 4ac over 4a. We call this equation as equation A. Now we put x plus b over 2a is equal to capital X and y minus b square plus 4ac over 4a is equal to capital Y. The equation A now becomes capital X square is equal to 1 over a into y. We call this equation as B. Now we know that the equation B is a standard equation of parabola and we know its elements. By the help of equation B, we shall find the elements of equation A. First, we find the vertex of the given parabola. The vertex of parabola B is 0, 0. That is capital X is equal to 0 and capital Y is equal to 0. Now we shall replace the values of capital X and capital Y and we get x plus b over 2a is equal to 0 and y minus b square plus 4ac over 4a is equal to 0. From here we get small x is equal to minus b over 2a and small y is equal to minus b square plus 4ac over 4a. So these are the coordinates of vertex of equation A. Now we find the axis of a given parabola. we know that the axis of equation B is capital Y axis. That is capital X is equal to 0. The equation of capital Y axis is capital X is equal to 0. Now we replace the value of capital X and we get x plus b over 2a is equal to 0. We know that the value of capital X is equal to x plus b over 2a. And this gives x is equal to minus b over 2a. And this equation is the axis of equation A. We compare equation with the capital X square is equal to 4 capital A y, and we get 4 capital A is equal to 1 over small a. From here we get the value of capital A to be 1 over 4 small a. Now we find the directrix of a given parabola. For this we shall first write the directrix of parabola B, and we know that directrix of B is capital Y plus capital A is equal to 0. Now we replace the values of capital Y and capital A as the value of capital Y is equal to small y minus b square plus 4ac over 4a, and value of capital A is equal to 1 over 4 into small a. After replacing these values and transposing these values towards right, we get small y is equal to minus b square plus 4ac over 4a minus 1 over 4a. Taking LCM, we get this expression, and this expression is the directrix of parabola A. Now we find the focus of parabola A. The focus of parabola B is 0 capital A, that is capital X is equal to 0 and capital Y is equal to capital A. Now we replace the values of capital X and capital Y as x plus b over 2a will be 0 and y minus b square plus 4ac over 4a will be equal to 1 over 4 small a. Here the values of capital X, capital Y and capital A has been replaced. After simplifying, we get small x and small y as small x is equal to minus b over 2a and small y is equal to minus b square plus 4ac plus 1 over 4a. So the focus of parabola A is minus b over 2a comma minus b square plus 4ac plus 1 over 4a.